Hey guys, assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for visiting the channel. Hopefully you become a subscriber. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you comment, let me know if you like it or not. And make sure you share this video to any and everybody that you know. I appreciate you guys for sticking by with me on this channel. I know I say a lot. I can't help it, sorry. But today's video, I am coming back with another glam bag. I keep saying I'm coming back with another glam bag from Ipsy, of course, and this is for the month of May. And as you guys know, I always start off with the cards first because they put cards inside. Sometimes it's just a note, sometimes it says what's actually in it. This one, the front of it says, keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your glow comes from within. They better come through with this, okay? I felt that. It says, throw caution to the breeze, embrace your windblown hair. Buy flowers for yourself, write love notes to your friends. Wake up to watch the sunrise, sneak back under the covers. That was cute. Okay, a little self-motivation. What they call a little self-affirmations or whatever. I felt that. And this is the front of it. And what I read is here, what I just now read. And when you open it, it just says, don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. And it says you couldn't get enough glam and access for more. If you're ready for 5 full-size products, visit ipsy.com/glambag plus to start your membership. Usually that's all it says on the inside. And here it says, this one it says build your dream bag. Basically that's it. So this, for the month of May, it came in this little sparkly pink bag here, front and back here. The zipper is at the top on this one. So I don't know what's inside because I didn't open them. I just took them out of the envelope. So I'm opening this up as I go along. So let's get into it. The first thing is by Goldfadden MD. And this is, it says Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. I don't know what gooseberry is. I'll have to Google that before I put it on my face. It says Dr. Goldfadden's multi-faced hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. And this is a 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters. And it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it or not, probably because it's too close. And then the light is also in the way, but that's the first thing. And the second thing that I have in here is by Mark Anthony, the True Professional. It says 100% coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, and shea butter. Hydrating curling cream. It says eliminate frizz, tangles, and define curls with extra hold and added shine with biotin. It says free from sulfates, SLS, parabens, and phthalates. Salon created, salon approved. And I always see this in the drugstores, the bigger, the bigger, the bigger sizes of it. So that's this one. I love anything that smells like coconut or like coconut oil, but I hate the taste of coconut. I don't like coconut at all, especially when it's like the little flakes and stuff, they get stuck in your mouth. I hate it. It smells so good, man. It smells so good. I have it's like weird because I love to smell like certain products like body wash or like shampoo, conditioner, like what else? Shampoo, conditioner, lotions, perfumes. I just have to smell like bars of soap. I have to smell everything. It smells really good though. So that was the second thing. The third thing that I have is this. Looks like a mascara by, I don't know the name of this. It's weird how it's spelled. I don't know how to pronounce this. Maybe it's Duce or Duque. I don't know. It's Doucca. That's the name of it. And it's this here. And this is a mascara. The brush is rather thicker than the ones that are usually, here you go. And this is how it came. I like how they give like little mini, that's why I did this subscription service, because I like to try out new products, and I only pay about, I think it's like 14 something or $15 a month, and I get 5 different things, and it's something different every month that I can try. And you know, you're not going to use everything right away, but it does come in handy if you want to use certain products. The next thing that I have, which is number 4, this is by Naked Cosmetics, and this looks like a pretty eyeshadow. Ooh, well, I just spilled half of it out. Okay. Like what? Well, I guess you can still see it. Half of it fell out my lap. A nice pretty like purplish color. I don't know if you can tell right now because I don't know how it got all crumbled up like this, but it's very pretty. Nice purple color. Oh my gosh, hold on one second. Let me see if I can like sprinkle this back into the bag, or try to at least. I'm not editing this out, so sorry for the noise. It got on top of the bag, but yeah, it's this. And I don't really like shimmers like that. This was a mess already. I don't know how it got open. How did this happen? Like somebody tried to open it before I did. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, it's by Naked Cosmetics. Maybe I should have just left that closed. And then the last and final thing that I have is by It Cosmetics, and this is by Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, and it comes in this thing here. And they sent this to me in the color, what color is this? In the color 42.5, and it's warm deep. So yeah, we'll see how this comes out. Let me open it and see. On the back they have like all the different shades that they cater to, or that they have. It says they have 48 shades, so that's that. And oh, it comes, oh, this is tiny. Yeah, it comes in this, and this is by It Cosmetics. I don't know, boom, whatever. So I will be trying this because I've been looking for new concealers. Also, when it comes to highlighting or concealing, whatever, covering up any dark spots I may have. So that concludes this video. Those were the 5 products that were in the bag for May. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and share this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are subscribed. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button, or it should be somewhere near it. That way you can get notified when I post new content. Until next time, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I don't know what I wanted to use for my thumbnail, but hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have another glam bag for you guys by Ipsy, of course, and this is for the month of May. Of course, you know, you guys know that I start off with the cards first, and this one says build your dream bag every month on the 2nd at 9 a.m. Eastern. Oh, fuck, I cannot talk.